Hello everybody, Dr. Justin McCormick here. I hope you are all healthy and well. Before we do our quick 2-minute Tuesday tutorial, I just want to remind you guys that we are open at our regular hours minus Tuesday morning. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're here all day, Tuesday from 3 to 6. So let's get on to our 2-minute tutorial. Today I want to talk about the foam roller. Just quickly, why today? I'm still seeing so many people coming in with just horrible posture, a lot of tension and tightness in their back, and I really think it's because people are being a lot more sedentary right now, so they're like this. So it kind of popped in our mind, hey, here's something that you can all do at home for real cheap, real inexpensive. Get a foam roller. I just checked them out on Amazon today. They're like 12 bucks. So that's what my recommendation would be. Get a, I think they're called soft density or low density, something like that. But the softer ones, I would recommend for sure not starting with a high density foam rollers. That is going to be like this one here, the one right behind it. Can you see that one, Hannah? Right there. I think that's just too much. Even for me, it's hard to relax and get a good stretch with that. So I'm going to teach you 4 today that you can do, something you can start on your own, and then we have therapists here that can help you do this on your own as well. So if you have any questions after you get these, bring it in and we'll take you through this. So let's go through 4 that you can start with right away. So first, what I'm going to show you, really good for your pecs and just opening up your spine. So you're going to lay on your back. If you'll notice, the foam roller is long ways with my spine. You got that, Hannah, on there? Palms up, and you're going to let your hands rest to the side. Remember, palms are up, and you're going to let your arms hang back for about 30 seconds. Then you'll bring your arms up together, stretch forward for 5 or 6 seconds, and then go back for another 30 seconds. So I want you to do 3 to 4 of these, really trying to open up your chest in the front. The next thing that we're going to do is from here, lay to the side. Your glutes are going to be up in the air, hands gently behind your head so you're not torquing up, just letting your head rest in your hand, and you're going to roll out your spine. We call this a spinal alignment stretch. And if you find any particular tight spots, you can just kind of shift your weight to that area and let it hang for about 20 seconds or so. Next one is a lower back foam roller stretch. You're going to lay down here into the lower back area, knees go up, and then just gently shift from side to side. Now, the actual way to do this, I find this a little contradictive because it's kind of tenses my back up, is to grab the knees and pull them side to side. This one's not as effective for me. Maybe you'll like it more, I don't know. So this is what I like to do, just gently stretching from side to side, letting the foam roller stretch out your back. Last one is for your core. We'll go back to this direction again. I like to do this one last after you've got everything stretched out. We're going to go on the side here. Make sure your core is activated, so you want to be flat along the thoracic roller, not tilted here. Get it flat, spine flat. And we're going to go ahead and raise arm and our leg, and then switch arm and our leg. And you're working on building up your core, which is what we need when our life is very sedentary, a very strong core. All right, there you have it. There is 4 stretches that you can do right away. Remember, just get on Amazon right now, order one, 12 bucks. I promise you it's going to help you out. I look forward to seeing you at your next appointment. Have a great day.